Hi, I'm Karla Singson of Proximity Outsourcing, and this is how our outsourcing solutions work. First, we get on a 25-minute clarity call to talk about the role that you want to place in your company. Now, a lot of people come to me and say, hey, Karla, I want a virtual assistant. I want a VA. I need a VA. I'm super busy. But when we start talking about what their needs are, what their expectations are, and what's really best for their company in order to move forward in the goals that they have, they actually mean a project manager, or maybe even an operations manager, or maybe even a client success manager, or maybe someone creative and someone specialized like a video editor, a graphic designer. Most of the time, you really don't need a VA or a virtual assistant. You don't need an assistant. You need an actual specialist. And if your business is really in the position of growth, and if you have big goals for your company, it's very, very typical that you actually need a specialist or a manager. This is with our experience over the years, and with over 500 entrepreneurs helped, this is a pattern that I've seen from all of my clients. After that, we go through a recruitment and onboarding process. So after that call, I will send you a job description and an action plan on what our plans for the hiring strategy will be. And once you approve that plan, our recruitment team will start hiring for that role. There is initial investment of $995 to cover the recruitment and onboarding. So what does this entail? So our full service recruitment team is gonna go out there, make the announcements, run some ads on Indeed, LinkedIn, and other platforms. And then they're gonna run multiple rounds of interviews, background checks, and of course, clarification, reference checking. So the recruitment team is really working hard. This is a 2 to 3 week process. And while that is happening, your assigned client success manager will also get on a meeting with you to look at your onboarding materials. Do you have all the assets ready? Do you have all the resources prepared? Is it ready for turnover? If you had a previous employee or a previous remote professional that was doing this role previously, have they processed all of the information and all of the resources needed for the next person? Now, if you're not 100% ready, then we can definitely help. So it is your client success manager's job to help you out with that while the recruitment team is doing their thing, looking for the role that you're hiring for. So like I said, this is a 2 to 3 week process. There's an initial investment of $995, and there is a full satisfaction guarantee on that investment. After 2 to 3 weeks, you're gonna start meeting the top 3 candidates who have passed all of our tests. They've passed all of our reference checks. We run critical thinking tests, software proficiency tests, and English proficiency tests. And I wanna let you know that our recruitment team also hires only from certain backgrounds, from certain experiences, and from certain non-calamity prone cities in the Philippines. So my team really knows the nuances of hiring in the Philippines, so that after 3 weeks, when you meet the top 3 candidates, you really like them and they're definitely super qualified for the role that you're hiring for. So now your CSM will schedule all of these interviews, and typically you would have chosen one. So once that person is chosen, congratulations, you now have the perfect remote professional for the role that you need in your company. Your CSM will now process the onboarding, and then we are going to start your monthly subscription. So the monthly subscription will start on day 1 of your remote professional, and it will be processed between 2 to 5 business days before day 1. So when that happens, you're going to sign the contract. You're going to look at our terms and conditions. If you have any questions, you can also ask us about it. And we're going to prepare the contracts both on the Philippine side of things and the US side of things. So we have entities in both sides of the water, and so we just need to have all of the paperwork ready. And so we want to be super prepared. We want the onboarding to be super seamless, and we will help you with all of that. Now, the subscription, what does it entail? So this is an all-in subscription that bills every 28 days. That covers the hours worked of your remote professional, management, HR monitoring, time tracking. So we have a time tracking software that we use to track their time and their attendance, your dedicated client success manager, who will be working at your time zone. You can talk to them about anything, about feedback for your remote professional, feedback about your account, any billing concerns. So their only job is to make sure that you're happy and that you're having a great experience here at Proximity Outsourcing. So our subscriptions also cover an amazing set of benefits for our remote professionals. So all of our teammates enjoy a very wonderful package of health benefits, healthcare, insurance, a huge collection of wellness benefits. It also covers upskilling, personal development trainings, skills development trainings, special certifications that they might need so that they can continue to get better at the job. And if they are a client-facing role, they will also get regular accent training from our company. So the subscription is really all in. It covers the labor, it covers monitoring, it covers the HR stuff, it covers the benefits, it covers account management, your client success manager, making sure you're really happy. It covers the insurance that if you're not happy with your remote professional somewhere down the road, then we cover an in-house replacement and in-house onboarding for the second round. So for that one, we'll even give you maybe a 1-week credit for your trouble. If we do get to that point that we have to terminate or we have to replace, we'll definitely help you with that. So some of the best practices really include just a lot of feedback during the first 30 days, a lot of communication with your client success manager, just being open, being transparent, over communicating. There's really a lot of success that is hinged upon that first 30 days, and we will guide you through every step of the way. So all of the amounts and all of the investment that I mentioned are in US dollars. So there is the upfront $995 to start with the recruitment and onboarding, and the subscriptions vary from $695 US dollars to $2,995 US dollars. So the difference here will be the amount of hours that you need. So our minimum investment for certain roles or a minimum commitment for certain roles are 10 hours a week. And for other roles, it would be 20 hours a week. The maximum commitment is 40 hours a week or full time. There are also different tiers of these roles. So a lower tier would be like a bookkeeper or a graphic designer or a YouTube video editor. And a higher tier or a higher price subscription would be a project manager, an operations manager, or a conversion rate optimization specialist. So the range would be somewhere between $13.50 to $18 an hour. So once again, it really depends on how many hours you want and what kind of role or tier they're in. So that's basically everything. If you have any questions, just click the link in the notes here on this channel, or simply visit our site, proximityoutsourcing.com, and get access to our calendar or our case studies so you can find out some of our best success stories of over 500 online businesses that we've helped grow with top-tier outsourcing from the Philippines and Latin America. Now, what I really want to do is to invite you to visit our site, proximityoutsourcing.com, click the button at the upper right corner and book a call with us. We want to talk to you. We want to really get to know your business and get on that 25-minute call so at least we can prove ourselves and we can make you a custom job description. This will be very different from just like a regular basic one. We will really dive in and get to know what your goals are, give you advice on the roles that you're hiring for, and even tell you what worked for our other clients of the same industry and of the same business size as yours. So once again, visit our site, proximityoutsourcing.com. Look for the book a call button at the upper right corner, and we'll see you there.